This is terrible. Right, May. Follow me.
Lead the way.
You!
Looks slippery. We'll go slow.
Guys, do something! He's gonna get ourselves killed! Wait, what are you doing? Wait, step aside! I had to protect May! I'm doing this for his own good. We had to do it for our own good. Now step aside, Weed, or I'm gonna hunt you down and kill you! Weed? The hell is he doing? Damn! I didn't know he could actually move that easy. Are they about to fight? It looks like it. I really can't believe I can watch. That's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy.